Let's fix this to this. When you click on Anchor link, the title is hidden under the sticky header. In this video, I'm gonna fix this problem without CSS using Elementor. Let's get started. Alright, open the editing page of the Elementor, and then without scrolling down, choose a container that appears on this page. Any container is fine, so let's choose this one, and then go to Advanced, then close this layout, and open Motion Effects. And from here, you'll see Sticky. Then now it's none, so change it to bottom. Alright. And then here you'll see, 000 for sticky offset, effects offset, and anchor offset. And here what you need to set is anchor offset, which is right here. This one, okay? This one is anchor offset. You need to set this. And let's set for 70 for now. So this 70 comes from the height of the sticky header, which is right here. This one should be around 70, probably. I don't know. I'm not sure. So this 70 comes from this height, okay? This comes from here. Okay? And if you're not sure how tall is this, what's the height of the sticky header, then you can like preview and then set 70 or 80 or 50, whatever. And then, yeah, you can set like checking on preview screen. So let's publish and let's check from the preview screen for laptop. Then for desktop screen, let's click how to solve the problem. It's working properly, very good. Then let's go to mobile and check on mobile too, and reload it. Then let's check on mobile view as well. Then go to table of contents and then click here. Well, it's not too bad, but there is slightly it's covered or under the sticky header. I want to be around here. So let's adjust a little bit of this anchor offset. Let's add 10 and then set to 80, okay? And then let's publish. And once again, let's check from the preview screen for laptop. Once I click here, it's pretty good. And let's check on the mobile screen as well. You need to reload again. Once you reload it, then let's go to table of contents again. Oh, there we go. It's working properly. Maybe you need a little bit more space, but I'm fine with this. There is a little bit still under the header, but it's okay because I can see the text properly. And then the problem is fixed already. However, some people might think that it's better to fix from this mobile view screen of the editing of the Elementor. However, even if I set here for example, 500, it actually doesn't work. Let's see how it works. And then I go to mobile screen, then reload again. And when I tap here, it doesn't change. It doesn't change at all. I don't know why. And if you know that reason, please comment below and let me know or let us know. And so for now, as of 2025, just set here from the desktop view, and then set 80, then publish. This is the secure way to apply for all desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Alright, so this is pretty much of today. If you like this video and the solution worked very well, please hit that good button and leave your comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.